Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to remove the Google account in Android to help you manage your device or prepare it for a fresh start. This process is quick and ensures your personal data is no longer synced to the phone. So now let's get started. Step 1, open your device and go to the settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is the central hub where you manage all your phone's internal configurations and security options. Step 2, scroll down through the list and select the option labelled Accounts or Passwords and Accounts depending on your specific phone model. This section is where your device stores all the linked credentials for your email, social media and cloud services. Step 3, look through the list of active profiles and choose the specific Google account that you want to remove from the device. Selecting the correct account is vital so that you do not accidentally sign out of a different service you still need to use. Step 4, tap on the button that says Remove Account and confirm your choice if a secondary prompt appears on the screen. This final action disconnects the account and stops all syncing services like contacts and calendar events from appearing on this specific phone. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more useful Android tips.